Storm tracker mode is active. I'm tracking snow to start things off tonight. A dusting to 1 inch in the white, that's down east, Penobscot Bay, heading up north in the county. 1 to 2 inches in the blue. Most of Maine's going to see that, except southern York County along the coast there. Route 1 and 95, down just south of Sanford, back towards Wells. You're going to see rain mixing in Kittery. But the big threat here is going to be the ice. 2 waves of ice coming in. Freezing rain and drizzle. Monday night through Wednesday morning. So the first wave comes through tonight into Tuesday morning, another wave Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. The greatest accumulation of ice is going to be in the Oxford Hills, so the western mountains, the western foothills. That's where there's going to be 1/10 to a quarter and even a quarter to a half inch of ice in a very centralized location there where the cold air gets trapped up against the mountains in the Oxford Hills. It's an inside track low pressure system with wind gusts of more than 50 miles an hour on Wednesday. Power at its threat along the coastline for this storm. The more this storm tracks to the west, the bigger that threat for the coastline and the entire coast of Maine, from the southern coast heading up all the way down east. Precip is trending 2 to 3 inches starting tonight, ending Wednesday night and Thursday morning. More than 3 inches will bring flooding, and there's snow over to ice, over to rain. So you're getting really the whole spectrum here of the wintry mix, starting off frozen and ending very much on the wet side. Rain and snow late. It changes to freezing rain with an icy morning commute Tuesday and really an icy commute Tuesday night as well, with rain, wind, and outages to end the storm on Wednesday. Today on satellite, clouds on the increase, not much sun until later in the week. That's what will clear things out. The next system gets in here tonight. That's the first wave of moisture to overrun that cold air at the ground level. We become overcast, a late mix popping up. That's once again from the west first, southwest interior, Oxford Hills. Temperatures, you see there at the coast, 40. I'm not overly concerned with ice at the coastline right now, but inland, that's where the cold air is going to get trapped once again up against the foothills. Down east, mid-coast and southern coast, notice here small craft not up. Here's the wind forecast. This is very crucial to the ice forecast. So we have a north to northeast wind. Cold air gets trapped. An icy setup on Tuesday with 2 waves of precip early and late. And even really as we start the storm off on Wednesday, we're going to have enough cold air still trapped at the ground level. It's going to overrun, all that moisture overruns that cold air. So here it is on Maine Futurecast. Starts after 3 o'clock Monday. Snow and rain tonight. Then we get a little lull, and then freezing rain and drizzle in the overnight while you're sleeping, coming in mostly to southern and western Maine, with another shot coming in Tuesday night. So there's that light mix Monday night, icy Tuesday morning and Tuesday late. Powerful storm on Wednesday. This storm comes in like that inside track, so it's going to pull the moisture up off the Atlantic. So inside track low pressure, icy and rainy, not snowy when this track goes inland like this, but it will be quite juicy. The amount of precipitation is easily in the 2 to 3 inch plus range. So I want to show you the precip as well. So here's the forecast in the mountains the next 10 days, where you have Storm Tracker is now up Tuesday and Wednesday. Now the mountains won't get as much ice. It's really going to be the foothills, but still, from 28 to 44. So there's going to be snow melt going on in the mountains. Inland, 30 to 51. Storm tracker up with ice Tuesday morning and late. And then it's all rain for a good chunk of the day when the sun is up on Wednesday. We clear out as we get into the weekend and the week. For the coast, 34 and 53. Then down to 43. We cool off, but still temperatures running about typical this time of the year, and some showers coming in next week as we warm things up in the 10-day forecast. This is not going to be a deep freeze situation. We are going to warm things back up as we get to the middle of December. Make sure you're following along on Jason Nappy Weather and nappycast.com for the latest updates.